Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Soo, your East Oakland advocate. Today I'm going to show you how quickly an induction cooktop can cook something. We're going to go from a cold start. This is a stainless steel skillet that is made for induction cooking. So we're going from a cold start. We're going to put it up at 1800 degrees or 1800 watts, maximum output. So right now it's heating up. We're going to put oil into the pan. And you can see right here, it's already heating up the oil immediately. This is like operating a gas stove without gas. One of the things that you will notice is that there is a fan that runs constantly to keep the induction coil cool, because that's what emanates some heat. Even magnetic resonance will bring up some heat. But here we are, we're almost a minute and a half in, and it's getting pretty hot already. You can see that the oil has already pulled away from the pan here. There's a lot of heat. And you see the oil is already very fluid, so that means it's already hot. So we're going to cook a couple of pieces of liver so that you can see how quickly this is heating up. Because this is really nice. I'm enjoying this because I used to have a gas stove in my Grand Lake home. I installed a very, very expensive gourmet cooking range, all gas, and it also had an air circulation inside the oven. And so even the oven cooked a lot faster. So here we are, we're about 2.5 minutes in, and I'm already, you see that? It's already flying. This is already frying. Look at that. That's just 2.5 minutes in. That is so much faster than the conventional cooktop. You see what I'm doing? I am cooking the outside first. Let it seal in all the juices. You want to throw a little salt on here. Now look at this. This is already 1 minute in. We're only at 3.5 minutes. And look at this. This is so much faster. So much. Look at that. We even got burn marks on the liver already. That's how quick this induction cooktop cooks. I wanted you to see this amazing appliance at how fast it cooks. It's amazing. Since I've had this for a few days, I've just been nothing but amazed at how good and how quick things cook. I mean, right now we're coming up on 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes here, and we're almost done. Think about that. In an electric stove, a full electric stove is still heating up at this point and still heating the pot. And here we are with an induction cooktop, and in the time that an electric stove would just be heating up the pots and pans, we are already nearly done cooking. This is truly a nice cooktop. far better than the junky one that I used to have. I'll show you the junky one that I had. It's an old-fashioned coil, and these are slow, they're outdated, they suck a lot of energy. This is what I used to use. You can see the boil over because you don't control the heat very well with one of these. So this is now the electric, the old electric coil has been put aside and for emergencies. But look at this. We're just coming up on the 6 minute mark now, and this is almost ready. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful right here. I don't like to cook it real hard, so I'm going to turn it off right now. But here we are, 6.5 minutes in, and this is ready. Thanks for joining me today. This is how much of an improvement an induction cooktop can change your life. This is a portable one, but you can get a drop in for your counter or for your countertop. And you would have to get a separate oven, but induction cooking is the way of the future. Thanks for joining me today. We'll be right back.